In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag another email in Gmail. This is a handy feature that allows you to keep your emails organized and easily accessible. So, whether you're managing a busy inbox or just looking for ways to streamline your email workflow, mastering this skill will certainly come in useful. Let's get started. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to Gmail. Once you're logged into your account, you're ready to begin. To start tagging, you need to identify the email that you'd like to tag. For this step, go to your inbox or another folder where your email might be located. Once you've found the email you wish to tag, click on the checkbox next to it. This action selects the email and prepares it for tagging. It's important to make sure you've selected the correct email to avoid any organizational mishaps. With your email selected, you're going to look for the label icon, which is usually located above your email list, represented by a little tag symbol. Click on that icon, and you will see a drop-down menu with a list of your existing labels. If you're new to using labels, think of them as folders or tags that you can use for categorization. From here, you can choose an existing label if there's one that already fits your needs. But if you'd like to create a new label, scroll down the drop-down menu and select the option to create a new label. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your new label. Make sure it's something clear and descriptive that will help you recognize the category at a glance. After entering the name, confirm your new label, and it will be added to the drop-down list. Now just click on it to tag the email with that label. Congratulations, you've successfully tagged your email. This step is the core part of using labels effectively and will allow you to retrieve specific emails quickly. It's worth noting that you can tag emails with multiple labels if they fit into more than one category. Simply select the email and choose additional labels from the list. This versatility is one of the factors that makes using labels in Gmail so powerful. Finally, remember that organizing your emails is an ongoing process. Make it a habit to tag important or frequently accessed emails as you receive them. Keeping up with this practice can greatly enhance your productivity and make handling emails a more efficient and enjoyable task. That wraps up our guide on tagging emails in Gmail. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't hesitate to explore more with Gmail's diverse features to further optimize the way you handle your emails. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.